art friends. We're gonna draw a little mouse in a hat, because anytime you put something in a hat, it's funny. And why would we not do something funny? Because life is hard enough. Let's just have some fun here. And then we've got the little nose, this little mouse ear, this little mouse paws, and little tail, little mouse tail. And then here's his little kick foot here. All right. This is funny. Thank you for recommending it, a little friend named Robert. So we're gonna start with the hat there. And then we're gonna have a line coming up and then coming down. I tried to make this a little wiggly because it's kind of like a straw hat. It's a little mouse straw hat. And we're gonna draw a line coming down, around, and it's gonna come up with this right here. And then it's gonna come back up and down like that. All right, and I know that looks weird right now, but it will make sense in a moment. Then, from where that comes down, we're gonna draw the back of the mouse, and then it's gonna come down really fast like that. And we're gonna come right over here, and we're gonna draw a curved line for his leg. And then we're gonna draw a straight line coming out with some little mousy toes. Oh, little mousy toes, little mousy toes. And then maybe this is a rat. I think it might be. I think I mislabeled this. Mouse rat, whatever. And then, yeah, I think this is a rat. It's got a really big tail. And then we're gonna come back out, make it nice thick in the back, and then it's gonna get skinnier as it comes out. And your tail could go anywhere it wants. Okay, now for the mouse face. It's gonna come out from underneath the hat here, down, pointy, and then kind of about back in here, it's gonna come around like that. And we're gonna put a little mouse nose on it. And some little rat whiskers. Get on board, Mert. It's a rat. And then we're gonna do some little mouse claws. He's looking for something. And then there's gonna be another little mouse claw that comes up in front too. I wonder if this mouse is left or right-handed. Rat, Mertz, rat. And then that's gonna just come back up like that. And oh, we can't forget the little rat eye, the little pink rat eye. There he is looking at you from underneath. Oh, and then don't forget his ear. His little rat ear. I wonder if that's how they look. I'm not even sure. And then this hat is just gonna come back like that. So this is like folded up, you know? All right, and there is the rat. Finally got the name of it right. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up.